Okay. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about body fluids. Body fluids. Okay. Body fluids. Today we are going to discuss about the body fluids or circulatory system. Circulatory system. Circulatory system. Body fluids and circulatory system. Body fluids and circulatory system. If we will take the body fluids in our body, fluids are present in our body. The fluids must be circulate or the fluids must be transformed from one area to other area. If we will take this circulatory system, in the circulatory system, mainly the circulation occurs in the circulatory system. Circulation occurs. Circulation. Transport of fluids. Transport of fluids. Transport of fluids from one area to another area or from one part to another part, from one part to one part to another part, another part. That is called as circulation. If we will take the circulation, mainly two types of body fluids must circulate in our body. Mainly two types of body fluids must circulate in our body. That circulation, first one, blood. Blood circulate in our body. That is called as blood circulation. Blood circulation. Blood circulation. Not only blood, along with the blood, lymph also circulation in our body. Lymph. This is called as lymphatic system. Lymphatic system or lymphatic circulation. Lymphatic circulation. Generally, if anybody asks circulation, most of the person must be say that is the only blood circulation. Not only blood circulation, along with the blood circulation, lymph also circulate in our body. Lymph also transport from one part to another part in our body. That's why two type of circulatory systems are present in our
Sir,
body.
what is the lymph?
Okay, we have to discuss. Two type of circulatory systems are present in our body. First one is blood circulation or blood circulatory system, and the second one lymphatic system or lymph circulation. We have to discuss about blood circulatory system now, but you asked the lymph. What is the lymph? We have to discuss that. Here you can take the lymph, Nana. Lymph. It's a fluid, and it is otherwise called as which Nana interstitial fluid or which Nana extracellular fluid. We have to say this fluid develops from the blood only. This fluid develops from the blood only. How it is developing from the blood? When the blood circulating in blood vessel, this is a blood vessel. When the blood circulating in the blood vessel, this blood containing plasma from this blood vessel, at the end of the cells or tissues, the plasma will comes outside. This plasma is called as ECF, extracellular fluid. extracellular fluid. Extracellular fluid. This extracellular fluid nothing but lymph. Means from the blood, the plasma must be leakage at the ending of the cells or tissues. When it is leakaging, it will comes outside. That fluid is called as ECF, extracellular fluid. This extracellular fluid, otherwise called as a lymph. Extracellular fluid, otherwise called as a lymph. What is the lymph? How it transport? We have to discuss later. But at first, we have to discuss about the blood circulation or blood circulatory system. Blood circulation or blood circulatory system. We have to discuss now. Here, if anybody asks you, Nana, circulation or circulatory system, there are two types of circulatory systems are present in our body. First one is blood circulation or blood circulatory system, and the second one is lymphatic system or lymphatic circulation. These are the two fluids which must be transported in our body from one place to another place, from one part to another part. And in this, we have to discuss about blood circulation. Blood circulation. Blood circulation. Blood circulation. Blood circulation. In this, the blood must be circulate from one place to another place. If we will take this blood circulation, actually it is two types. Open type of circulatory system. Open type circulatory system. And closed type circulatory system. Closed type circulatory system. Open type circulatory system. Open type circulatory system. And the second one, closed type circulatory system. Closed type circulatory system. In this, we have to discuss about open type circulatory system. What is the open type circulatory system? Open type circulatory system. Open type circulatory system. If we will take the blood circulation, there are two types of blood circulation is present. That is called as open type circulation and closed type circulation. Among the animal beings, these animals are containing two types of circulation. That is the open type and closed type. Which animals are containing open type circulatory system and which animals are containing closed type circulatory system, we have to discuss. And what is the open type circulatory system, what is closed type circulatory system also we have to discuss now. But before that, you have to remember blood circulation. Two types of blood circulation is present in the animal beings. First one, open type circulation is present in some animals. Second one, closed type of circulation is present in some of the animals. This is about blood circulation. And if we will take the circulatory system, is not only blood circulation, lymphatic circulation also present. That's why circulatory system, two types of circulatory systems are present in the human beings. First one is blood circulatory system and the second one is the lymphatic system or lymphatic circulatory system. Here also we have to remember, most of the persons must be say only blood circulation. Circulatory system nothing but only blood circulation. But along with the blood circulation, lymphatic system also present and the lymphatic circulation also present. You have to remember that also. And just now we were discussing the blood circulation again divides into two types. First one is open type, second one is closed type. Now we have to discuss about the open type circulatory system. In open type circulatory system, blood flows in blood flows in sinuses of the animal. Sinuses of the animal. Sinuses of the animal. Sinuses nothing but empty cavities or empty spaces. Empty spaces. Empty spaces. In this open type circulatory system, blood does not flow in blood vessels. Blood does not flow in does not flow in blood vessels. Flow in blood vessels. Blood does not flow in blood vessels. The blood must be flow, or the blood must be enters into the sinuses. From the sinuses, the blood enters into the heart of the animal. If we will take that, how it is, and how the circulation is occurring, and in closed type, how the circulation is occurring, we have to discuss. And here you can take in these animals, open type circulatory system. It is containing a tubular heart. Here you can take it's a tubular heart. And this tubular heart, it's a tube-like tubular heart, and it's a tube-like heart is present in this. It's a tubular heart. It's a tubular heart is present in this animals. Tubular heart. The blood enters into the empty spaces. This is called as the sinuses. Sinuses or sinuses. The blood enters into the open space or sinuses. And from this open space again directly enters into heart. This is about the heart. The blood directly enters into the sinuses of the animal, empty spaces of the animal. In this, no blood vessels in open type circulatory system. The blood does not flow in the blood vessels. It must flow in only sinuses or open spaces or empty spaces of the body. It must flow in only sinuses or open spaces or empty spaces of the body only. It won't flow in the blood vessels. It will flow in this sinuses only. From heart directly, the blood enters into the sinuses. Directly, the blood enters into the sinuses, and from sinuses, the blood enters into which in an heart only. This is the blood. The blood coming into the sinuses, and from sinuses, the blood enters into tubular heart. Tubular heart. In this, the blood does not flowing in the blood vessel. No blood vessels here. This completely it's a heart. This heart is called as a tubular heart. We have to say. And in this open type circulatory system, organs bathed in the blood. Organs, organs bathed in blood. Organs bathed in the blood. When it is entering into the open space of the animal body, when it enters into the open space of the animal body, in the open space only, organs are containing. The organs must be bathed in the blood only. For example, you can take our abdomen. This is our abdomen. Abdomen. It's a chest. In abdomen, internal organs are present. Stomach present. Liver present. Next, lungs are present. Heart is present. Internal kidneys also present. These all type of organs are present in this empty space only. In other animals also, the organs are present in the empty space of the body. In open type circulatory system, when the blood enters into the empty space or sinuses, in the sinuses only the organs are present. When the blood enters into the sinuses, the organs are present in which in a blood only. That's why the organs are bathed in the blood in open type circulatory system. But you can take ourself, you can take our body. In our body, the blood is flowing in the blood vessel. It won't comes outside. It must flow in the blood vessel only. That's why the organs does not bathed in our body in the blood. But here in the open type circulatory system, the blood enters into the sinuses or empty spaces. That's why organs are bathed in the blood. Why? Because the organs are present in the open spaces. When the organs are present in the open spaces, into the open spaces, the blood enters. That's why the organs must be bathed in the open type of circulatory system. And if we will take the example, this open type circulatory system present in You can take example. Open type circulatory system present in leeches. Example you can take leeches. Leeches. Nothing but it is present in Annelida phylum also. Leeches. Open type circulatory system. And you can take arthropoda. Arthropoda phylum. Next, mollusca phylum. Mollusca phylum. Mollusca phylum. Echinodermata phylum. Echinodermata phylum. Along with this arthropoda, mollusca, echinodermata phylum. Ascidians also containing this open type circulatory system. Ascidians. Ascidians also containing this open type circulatory system. This is very, very most important, Nana. In the NEET, they may be asked this example. That's why most important you have to remember this. Open type circulatory system present in leeches, arthropoda, phylum containing open type circulatory system, mollusca. In mollusca phylum, one class containing closed type. Cephalopoda class containing closed type. Here you can take except cephalopoda. Except cephalopoda class. Except cephalopoda class. Remaining all molluscans are containing this open type circulatory system. And all echinodermatans containing open type circulatory system. Ascidians also containing open type circulatory system. These examples are very, very most important. You have to remember this. Leeches, arthropodans, molluscans, except cephalopoda, and echinodermatans and the ascidians. Ascidians nothing but urochordata. Urochordatans are containing this open type circulatory system. Here you can take urochordata. Urochordata subphylum. Urochordata subphylum containing this open type circulatory system. This is about the open type circulatory system. And now we have to discuss about closed type circulatory system. Before that, I would like to give this information once again. Listen carefully. Blood circulation. In the animal beings, two types of circulation is present in the animal beings. Among those all animals, two types of circulation is present. First one is open type circulatory system. Second one is closed type circulatory system. Open type circulatory system. Blood flow in the sinuses of the body. In open type circulatory system, blood flow in the sinuses of the body, empty spaces of the body. And the blood does not flow in the blood vessels. Just now I drawn the diagram also. Blood does not flow in the blood vessels. No blood vessels in the open type circulatory system. Only tubular heart is present. Heart is present. No blood vessel. The blood flow in which in sinuses are empty space, open space. When the blood flowing in the sinuses or open space, due to that, all organs are bathed in the blood. Why? Because the blood enters into the abdomen, body, empty spaces. In the empty spaces only, the organs are present. When the blood enters into the empty spaces or abdomen, the organs must be bathed in that blood. This character also you have to remember, Nana. In this circulation, organs bathed in, organs bathed in, organs bathed in, organs bathed in the blood. And example, leeches. Leeches belongs to Annelida phylum. Leeches containing this open type circulatory system. Arthropoda phylum containing open type circulatory system. Mollusca phylum except cephalopoda class. Mollusca phylum except cephalopoda class containing this open type circulatory system. Echinodermata phylum containing open type circulatory system. And ascidians. Ascidians nothing but urochordatans. Subphylum urochordata. The urochordatans also containing this open type circulatory system. This is about the open type circulatory system. It's very simple, Nana. In open type circulatory system, no blood vessels. The blood flow in the sinuses or empty spaces or cavity. This thing you have to remember. You have to remember this example also. Leeches, Arthropoda phylum, Mollusca phylum, except Cephalopoda class, Echinodermata phylum, and Urochordata subphylum or Ascidians. This is about the open type circulatory system. Followed, anybody want to once again, Nana? Children?
Followed, sir.
Now we have to discuss about closed type circulatory system. Closed type circulatory system. What is the closed type circulatory system? We have to discuss. Closed type circulatory system. Closed type circulatory system. It's very simple, Nana. In this circulatory system, blood flow in blood vessels. Blood flow in blood vessels. Blood flow in the blood vessels. Blood flow in the blood vessels. The blood does not come into the empty spaces of the animal beings in this circulation. In this circulation, the blood flow in the blood vessels. Blood flow in the blood vessels. If we will take next character. When heart to pump the blood into heart to pump the blood into heart to pump the blood into blood vessels, or to pump the blood into blood vessels, or to pump the blood into blood vessels. How it is pumping the blood into blood vessels? We have to see. Here you can take it, say heart. This is the heart. Heart. This heart to pump the blood into the blood vessels. Through these blood vessels, the blood reach the tissues or cells. Here you can take, these are the tissues or cells. Tissues or cells. Tissues or cells. When heart to pump the blood, this blood enters into the tissues. This blood enters into the tissues. Blood enters into the tissues. This is oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood. It enters into the tissues. In tissues, blood utilize. In tissues, blood utilize. Blood utilize in tissue, and then deoxygenated blood to develop. Deoxygenated blood to develop. And this deoxygenated blood, it is a deoxygenated blood. It's a deoxygenated blood. It enters into heart. The circulation must be occurs or the blood must be flow in the blood vessels only. These are called as the blood vessels. Blood vessels. Blood vessels. Here also, these are also blood vessels. The heart to pumping the blood into blood vessels only. That's why it is called as a closed type circulatory system. That's why it is called as a closed type circulatory system. Closed. Completely the blood flow in the blood vessels. Completely the blood flow in a closed circuit. That's why this is called as a closed type circulatory system. And this closed type circulatory system present in the developed animals. like fishes, amphibians, cephalopods, cephalopoda, cephalochordata. I would like to give the example, but it must be present in the developed animals. The closed type circulatory system present in the developed animals. In the closed type circulatory system, are to pump the blood into blood vessels. Through the blood vessels, it must reach the tissues. And if we will take the example, here you can take an example. And if we will take the example, the closed type of circulatory system present in example, Annelida phylum. It is containing closed type. You can take earthworm. Earthworm containing closed type circulatory system. And you can take cephalopoda class. Cephalopoda. Cephalopoda.